I cannot believe we're doing this again, but pack with me. Okay, so let me fill y'all in. I leave for Austin in 4 days. And you know what? I love packing with me vlogs. I love figuring out outfits. And it's UT. Hopefully, my school that I go to for 4 years, we're gonna be there for 3 days, 2 nights. We're going to be taking classes for newspaper and stuff, but I feel like we're gonna need a couple of different outfits. First is like a travel day, so it'll be something super comfortable. I'll think of that later. Then we need one dinner outfit, like dinner / nighttime activity. I'm thinking my brown Hollister cargos. Just because I like those, and they're pretty comfortable with like a graphic tee and a hoodie, you know, simple. And then we're doing laser tag. Then we have classes all day Saturday, which I think I have my outfit for that. I want to look like studious, but like cool, you know. So I have that. I'll show you all in a sec. And then Sunday is like there's a keynote speaker, so like another class type thing, so you can more like presentable for that. And then yeah, keynote speaker, and then we come back home, so something comfortable yet still presentable. I'm thinking I'll do pants on Saturday and Friday night, and then my other 2 outfits will be shorts. Oh yeah, cool. So we're gonna pack and we're gonna talk about this trip. I'm gonna tell y'all all about it, tell you what classes I'm going on, and all of the things. And then while I do that, I'm just gonna tell you all about outfits I'm gonna wear. You know what, I'm just gonna start. I'm gonna start by packing my Saturday outfit just because I know 100% I'm wearing this on Saturday. This trip is going to be my first ever publications trip. I'm going with my school newspaper, write for them, and I am currently their design editor. So I work on our print stories. And yeah, we're going to Austin for a convention / class thing called ILPC. I don't remember what that stands for exactly. I'm so sorry, Jones. Jones is not watching this, but I don't really remember what that stands for. But yeah, so it's going to be only 1 day of actual classes, but we're going to be there all day. We're going to be taking classes on the UT campus. Hopefully not my last class. Well, it won't be, but hopefully not the last couple of years I take classes at UT. Because, you know, I do want to go to UT when I go to college. This is me manifesting that, and let's see in about a year whether that does come true. That's crazy. My next Austin trip, like for the newspaper, I'll know if I will be returning to UT or what, which is kind of crazy to think about. But yeah, so I'm taking 7 classes. So yeah, it'll be 7 hours, and we get like an hour and a half or 1 hour lunch break. And these are my following classes. I'm taking my 9 a.m. My first class is going to be like related to our print newspaper. Then literally, so we're leaving on April 19th, which if you didn't know, if you are uncultured, Tortured Poets Department, I guess by the time this releases, will have come out on that day. So I'm taking a music reviewing class about tortured poets. Then I'm taking a producing compelling audio content for radio and online, which is literally just because I'm into podcasting and I would love to start my own. That is definitely something that I'm super excited to take my class over. And then we get lunch, and then I'm doing another Taylor Swift related class called Make Your Feet Enchanted Taylor's Version. And it's about social media and marketing and how, you know, Swifties, something about Swifties, which honestly put me in a room full of Swifties and I'm happy. And then I'm Not Dead Yet. It's about just reporting and storytelling. And then another one that is, oh wait, no, sorry, I'm Not Dead Yet is about the importance of print newspaper. And then there's my last class, which is called Storytelling Ain't That Boring, with David Knight, who's like, all of my friends in newspaper are saying like, you need to take at least one of his classes. So I am. But yes, those are my classes. I'm actually going to finish packing this, and then I'm not going to repack, I'm not going to show you how to repack my toiletry bag just because I literally just showed y'all a very recent toiletry bag packing for New York. So I'm just going to do that packing. Alright, thank you so much for watching. That's basically it for this packing vlog. I know it's a pretty short packing video, but yeah, I think I'm either gonna take my Birks or my New Balances or my Blazers, my Converse. I don't know yet. I think that'll probably be a later decision. But thank you so much for watching. Make sure to come back when we go to Austin. All right, bye.